In this video, we will talk about the client-server model. Suppose you have a computer connected to the internet. Let's go to youtube.com. Let's open any video. Now let's examine step by step how these processes take place. First, I made a request to reach youtube.com. A client is a computer that requests information from another computer called a server. So I am a client on the internet. My request to access the youtube.com site was directed by the service provider to the relevant YouTube server via a router. YouTube web server prepared this website and sent it back to me. When I clicked on a video on YouTube, I made a request to the relevant server of YouTube. YouTube server evaluated the request and sent me back the information I needed. And now I can watch the video. In short, servers are powerful computers that evaluate the requests of clients and return the response. This process happens very quickly. Each device connected to the internet has an IP address. You can think of IP addresses as your home address. When a request is initiated from a home, namely from an IP address, the path the request will take is first determined by the service provider. This path is realized through routers established by service providers. Then the request reaches a specific server. The request is evaluated. A new path is determined. The data prepared by the server with the specified path is sent back via routers. I recommend you to watch the next network lesson. If you have any questions, you can state them in the comments.